Hello, I'm Theo Ferreira with Rugged Bound Supply Company out of Houston, Texas. We are proud to be the importers and distributors for Big Country 4x4 products from South Africa. Today we'll be doing a deep dive into the Ostrich Wing awning and the new generation Penthouse XL tent, specially made for the US market. First, let's dive into the awning. The awning is constructed with 13-ounce rib block canvas. It's been rot-proofed, waterproofed, and UV protected. The seams are heat sealed, and the awning gives you 120 square feet of shade, quickly deployed in 30 seconds. The awning frame is constructed from 6063 T6 aluminum trusses. The awning arms are gusseted along the length for increased rigidity and strength. The awning sits on a 1/2 inch thick by 6 inch tall aluminum beam. When it's closed, it's 8 foot 5 inches long. This thing is enormous. The hinge assembly is made from 1050 alloy, and the arms ride on nylon bushes for smooth deployment. The awning roof is pitched using a riser to ensure that the rain runoff is assisted and to give a more spacious feeling underneath the awning. So in the box, the awning comes with one leg. Normally when you use this awning, you would be using it without the leg deployed. However, when it becomes really windy and very gusty, you can deploy the one leg and secure it down with a strap. A nice extra feature of this awning is it comes with an optional wall kit. The wall kit comes in two sizes, 94 inches and 84 inches, depending on the size of your rig. The wall kit is assembled using a YKK Vislon marine zip, so there's no catching of zips to worry about. And also, you can put these wall kits in any configuration you want. There's a door panel, a flat panel, and two huge picture window panels. Because of the symmetrical design of the awning, any panel can go anywhere. So how do we mount this thing? In the box, the awning is supplied with two T-brackets. Most roof racks have an MA channel that runs front to back. This will slot right into there. Additionally, there's a brace that runs on the edge to brace it against the perpendicular angle of the roof rack for stability. However, if you're running one of our Penthouse tents, you won't have access to your roof rack, and so we have a custom-made tent mounting kit for the awning. Now that we've looked at the Ostrich Wing awning, let's dive into the Penthouse XL tent. Both the awning and the tent are made in South Africa, where they've been tested and developed over more than a decade to ensure that you get expedition-grade equipment. The tent is constructed of 3mm extrusions and 2mm plate aluminum. The canvas is made of almost an 8-ounce rib block canvas, which is rot-proofed, waterproofed, and UV protected. Every bit of the canvas can be removed for repair or replacement, since it is attached with a heavy-duty 2-inch Velcro element. The top and the bottom of the tent has a 3mm closed cell insulation and lined with automotive grade carpet. The tent uses YKK Type 10 zips, and the mosquito net is made from high quality fiberglass. The construction of the roof has 5 integrated load bars, which gives the roof a rating of 176 pounds. There are 2 M8 tracks mounted on top of the roof to allow you to mount whatever you want. So let's have a look inside the tent. This thing is massive, lots of space. The sleeping footprint is 7'3" by 54 inches shoulder width. The mattress is 3 inches thick. It's made of 2 inches ultra high density foam at the bottom and a 1-inch eggshell foam at the top, with a washable removable cover. The tent comes standard with a 50 volt amp supply connection using the Anderson plug on the outside. This supplies power to the standard dual USB charge port and the LED light, which has an amber and a white setting. Also included standard is a storage net. Additionally, at the base of the mattress, there is another Anderson plug for you to take off power and install your own circuits. So in terms of stand-up room, I'm 5'10", and you can see how much room there is to get dressed. To finish up, our ladder is a purpose-built 2-piece construction. It fits with T-nuts onto the M8 track on all 3 sides of the tent. There's an optional extra to allow you to store the ladder on the top of the tent, normal model ladders in your vehicle or inside your tent. Well, thank you for watching. You can find all of our products at ruggedbound.com. Additionally, you can find us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram under the tag Rugged Bound.